Hello everyone, my name is Brian Puffolks. I'm an immigration attorney with Puffolks Law Firm. My firm is located in New York, but we do serve clients throughout the 50 states as well as in many areas around the globe. For those of you that don't know, DACA is the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. It's a program which permits approximately 700,000 undocumented immigrants to live and work legally in the United States without fear of deportation. But before we get started, please take a moment to like this video and also to subscribe to this channel for future content. Now let's get started. DACA was implemented by executive order in 2012 by then President Barack Obama. I need to take a moment to explain what an executive order is before we go any further. An executive order, as it sounds, is an order executed by the executive branch without any participation from the legislature. Executive orders have become a lot more common in the last 15 years as our country's legislators have become more divided and it's become increasingly more difficult to pass federal legislation. In fact, multiple efforts to pass federal DREAMER legislation have failed, and so a workaround by President Obama was to issue the DACA executive order. And pretty much from the beginning, there have been challenges to the legality of this DACA executive order. The principal argument against the legality of DACA is that it violates the Administrative Procedures Act, or the APA. In short, the APA requires every federal agency proposing to implement a new rule to give ample notice to the public, and to give the public sufficient time to comment on this proposed rule. A number of states brought a lawsuit in federal district court claiming, among other things, that the DACA executive order violates the Administrative Procedures Act because they didn't go through the proper rulemaking process. And the district court for the Southern District of Texas agreed with those states, holding DACA is illegal because its implementation violated the Administrative Procedures Act. Here are the main takeaways from the court's decision. 1, the decision killed DACA in its current form. 2, the decision prevents USCIS from deciding any new DACA applications. 3, the district court issued a stay order, and as long as that stay order is in effect, individuals who obtain DACA on or before July 2021 will maintain their DACA status undisturbed. And 4, the judicial stay order permits USCIS to adjudicate any DACA renewal request. So the bottom line for now, anyone who already has DACA will be okay. But for any new applications, those cases cannot be approved by USCIS. President Biden last Saturday called this decision, quote unquote, deeply disturbing. And he's informed us that the Justice Department plans to appeal this decision to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals is very conservative, and I have no doubt that this matter is going to be tied up in litigation for years to come. Now, a very interesting point that I wanted to raise in this video that I haven't seen addressed in any of the media reports is that President Biden, in his statement, said that the Department of Homeland Security will very soon come out with a new regulation. It's not very clear what he means by that, but a distinct possibility is that President Biden will very soon come out with his own DACA executive order. And if he does come out with a new DACA executive order, I believe it would take anywhere between 60 to 180 days to have that new order implemented. And that's because the public would need sufficient time to review and comment any new proposed rule in order to comply with the Administrative Procedures Act. Of course, a second and better track would be passing a new law that codifies DACA. If that were to happen, there'd be no need for a new executive order. But as I've described in prior videos, the road to a new immigration law is filled with tricky challenges. The one thing that is very clear is the story of DACA is far from over, and I believe we'll be seeing some very new developments in the near future. So this takes us to the end of the video. If you like the content, please take a moment to like the video and to subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll keep you informed on any other DACA updates and other immigration topics. Thanks for watching and have a good day.